Okay, so if you're still like facing dropped frames or frame droppings, and you see that your stream is still stuttering even if you have like a good internet, then what you're gonna do is simply I figured it out. It worked for me, but it might be different for you. But even if you like tried lowering your bit rate, like going over here, reducing the video bit rate, reducing the resolution. If you tried everything and it still doesn't work, then maybe there's a problem with the server right here. You can go to stream over here, and then you need to select this one. Primary, you need to ingest, right? Or yeah, ingest server legacy RTMP. This one. Mine was set to this one, the first one on default, and that's why like I was facing a lot of dropped frames. But I switched it to this one, and I'm not facing any more dropped frame droppings. It always stays on the green spot. But on the older one, it sometimes usually it would go orange, it would go red, and it would sometimes go back on, and then sometimes it will just drop frames. So it was pretty much unstable. But now it is completely stable and it works just fine. So if you're having this issue where you have tried everything but it still doesn't work, you can try changing the server and it should do the job just fine. So yeah, that is gonna be it.